Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on creating stunning 3D AI images of artists for free. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in Microsoft Image Creator. Here, click on the first link that you see. Now in the text box, type in the prompt that you've created. Then tap on the Create button. Similarly, you can create more of these by simply editing the prompt. Then tap on the Create button once again. Now tap on the image in order to preview it. And if you'd like to download these images, then tap on the 3 horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen and tap on the download option. So that is how you can create 3D AI images for free. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.